It's like, I'm not really sure what to make of this.
Like, this is something.
You look pretty good though. You're very colorful.
And Velcro.
I know, there's
So many
juice,
interesting things. Yeah, look at that. A toy on your outfit. It's a custom outfit.
I'm gonna get you out.
Yeah. It's like, I think my clothes are there. They don't look familiar. Good job.
Yeah.
I don't know, the ball looks pretty good.
What is it?
One.
Riley,
Two,
Riley.
three, go. Oh.
Oh, yeah.
Look at me, Jesse.
Happy birthday to you. Yay! Yay! Good
Like,
boy.
awesome.
Except I didn't do anything. He's still going to try. I'm waiting for him to go under the table. Yeah, yeah. It's too tempting. Oh yeah, you're getting waylaid.
Because I need kisses.
Oh my gosh. Mealtime. It's gonna be so much. What it actually? No, it is a cups. Oh, you're gonna love
You'll
those.
like that. Seriously, oh that's cute.
Like, where are the buttons?
Look at these
Oh,
things.
look at that! A bear.
That one doesn't cost though.
Oh, DJ, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
He'll love this. He'll love it. Ooh. Oh, yeah, this is very true.
Oh, that's cute.
You like it? It's got something that spins. Yeah, I think it's good.
Wow. Weevil.
Oh my gosh! Oh gosh, this is an awesome book.
Which one?
It's like
Oh. Yay. You put the stuff in front of his vision.
Oh,
yeah, please turn it off. Oh, that's nice.
Don't care.
He's not. It's a TV show.
That was Star Wars.
Oh, no TV.
you should have seen him at a Buffalo Wild Wings.
Oh.
All the TVs that are in there. Very cool.
That's true. That's true. What am I thinking?
Where'd you get the card? It's really cute.
I don't know, Mom. Where'd you get the card?
I don't know where it came from.
You know what? I've had the card.
It's beautiful.
I didn't
Really
pick it out
cute.
special for him. I had.
Oh no, it's beautiful.
It must be from some sort of a
Some special store, like kids store, not your average.
bee posh.
He loves the beans.
Ooh.
He likes cars. He's just happy, isn't he? He's a happy guy.
Colorful.
That is so very cute. You want to watch the fish?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Good night, Ethan.
You had a big day.
Thank you everyone for coming.
Get that picture.